Hi guys, welcome to SportTube. Guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to fix a canonical not select problem in Google Search Console. So we want to fix this problem and improve the SEO in our website. Before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel with all notifications for the latest upcoming updates. Okay, so how to fix this problem? First, go to the coverage by clicking here, and into the coverage select excluded, and in the excluded here you can see a duplicate submitted URL not select as canonical error. Click on it, and in the duplicate submitted URL not select as canonical we have a 21 affected URL. So first we want to see by clicking here, and into the excluded you have a impact URL right side. Click on it, and here is the problem: URL is not on Google. And in the coverage option, click on it, drop down, and here we can see we have already submitted a sitemap. And in the crawl area, last time crawl 5 October 2021, and crawl as Googlebot smartphone. Crawl allowed, yes, and the page fetch successfully. In the indexing area, user delegate canonical is www.splitnetwork.com IPTV UK 2021, and in the next line Google selected canonical is satellitenetwork.com IPTV UK. Everything is same, but in the first line you can see we have a www, but in the second line we don't have www. So this is the reason we have this problem. So all the URL have same problem. So let's go to the second URL and check. Click to impact URL, and after fetching we have also same error. So how to fix this error? Go to the post, and into the post select your post which one you want to fix. So I want to fix this post. So here you can see we have a same post, and here I want to show you the URL. In the right side permalink, click to drop down, and here you can see also have the same URL. So now we want to edit this. I just want to remove 2021 from post, and we want to remove also from permalink. Make sure your SEO is good with all editing. So definitely we want to fix this, and now we want to update by clicking here. After complete editing your post, now go back to your Google Search Console account and copy this URL. So I want to copy this URL because this URL already indexed in Google search. So I want to copy this and save it in text. Just save it. Now I want to go our post and copy the URL and go to the URL inspection. Paste it here and select. So here you can see we don't have any error here. So I want to live test. And in the live test we have successfully fixed this problem. But now we have facing one other problem. Our old URL already submitted in Google search result, and we don't want to lose that traffic. So I want to fix that problem. First go to the URL. This is the old URL we already copy, And now go back to our post, and in the post go to the tools, and into the tools go to the redirection. This is the app. We already installed the redirection. Now we want to redirect this URL to new URL. So how to redirect? So go to the edit, and now we want to select this area. Now we want to redirect this URL to new URL. So I want to select it and copy this. Just remove your host name and click a save. So this is the way how to fix a canonical error. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the latest upcoming updates. See you next time.